I think first and foremost is we start our day with the right intention. We keep the same habits that we've had. That's how I'm coaching my team. So an example of that is I'm still getting up at 5:15, still doing my cardio in the morning. I'm at the office by 7:30, 8 o'clock, and carrying on with our normal routine.
I'm making sure that I'm getting trainings in so that I can improve my business. I'm making sure that I'm getting the videos done, the notes, the calls. So I really have been working hard on blocking out the schedule to really work on my business, and that's improving my business so that when we come out of this, it is ready to go.
A few things that I try to do during this time is I look at catching up on my CE, my continuing education. I look at catching up on my BBEM. I catch up on my local market master program that I've implemented several years ago. And also I continue to review my good income predictor to make sure that whatever adjustments I need to make.
Because people are seeking connection, video is the answer, because it is the closest thing to face that you get without actually being together. When someone sees your video, they see you. They see your mannerisms, they hear your voice, your personality comes through, and the words you share have an impact. I had a recent listing in which the homeowner interviewed 6 agents, and he hired me. At one point during the transaction, he shared with me that out of all 6 agents he spoke with, I was the only one that he felt he'd been able to make a connection with. He had told me that he watched all the videos on my YouTube channel. I believe that without him realizing it, we were making a connection. The barrier had been broken, so I wasn't a stranger to him. I was someone he had interacted with already, though it was simply through watching my videos.
We've asked the agents to reach out to all their clients, present and past, just to see how they're doing, making sure if there's anything that we can do, anything that we can help with, just to keep top of mind and establish goodwill, because as you all know, real estate is a relationship-based business, so we have to keep those relationships up.
My motto is, no matter what it is, I keep it moving, I stay under the radar, and I just keep it moving, and I handle my business that way. I don't get caught up with the news, the media. I don't get caught up with everybody gossiping about what's going on. It's easy for you to get caught up in that, and then you're stuck in at a standstill with everybody else. So I just keep it moving like that, and I just focus on my business and take care of what I can control.
I did caution everyone, and this applies to agents and team leaders and staff and everyone, to watch your budgets very carefully right now. We don't know how long this is going to go on for, so I know personally on our team we've cut costs that we don't really have to have right now, and just making sure that we have enough float to make it through.
In relation to how we reach out to our clients, past clients, sphere of influence, friends and family, we're coming from a place of service as opposed to trying to sell anything. I mean, if there's a real estate conversation to be had, they'll let us know. But I think our role right now and the best place for us is to be offering help or just support, or letting people know that, hey, we're there for them as human beings, and we'll get back to normal business down the line.
Just the biggest one that I want to encourage people is I've been doing a lot of videos with friends, and where there's 9 of us on there. Had a group that started a book club, and just really trying to stay with those personal connections socially and professionally. So I just really encourage you to schedule out your day, get the training, build your business, but keep those personal connections going. We're all in it together.